When it comes to making your home more comfortable while lowering your energy costs, few upgrades can make as significant an impact as EcoView windows and doors. These energy-efficient solutions are designed to provide superior insulation, reduce drafts, and improve the overall energy performance of your home. Whether you're looking to enhance comfort or cut down on utility bills, EcoView windows and doors offer a long-term solution that benefits both your wallet and the environment. In this article, we'll explore how EcoView windows and doors can improve your home's comfort and help you save on energy costs, all while enhancing your home's appearance and value. Superior insulation for year-round comfort. One of the primary benefits of EcoView windows and doors is their superior insulation. Windows and doors are a major source of energy loss in most homes, allowing heat to escape in the winter and entering during the hot summer months. EcoView products are engineered with energy-efficient features that help regulate the temperature inside your home, making it more comfortable throughout the year. Double or triple pane glass. EcoView windows feature double or triple pane glass that provides a layer of insulation between your home's interior and the outside elements. This multi-layer construction helps keep your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer by preventing the transfer of heat. Low E coatings. Many EcoView windows are treated with low E coatings, which reflect infrared heat while allowing visible light to pass through. This reduces the amount of heat entering your home in the summer and keeps warmth inside during the winter, improving comfort without sacrificing natural light. Insulated frames. In addition to the glass, EcoView windows and doors feature insulated frames that minimize heat loss or gain. These frames are made from materials like vinyl or composite, which are known for their durability and energy-efficient properties. By providing superior insulation, EcoView windows and doors ensure that your home maintains a comfortable temperature year-round, reducing the need for constant heating and cooling. Lower utility bills with energy-efficient technology. If you're looking to lower your energy bills, EcoView windows and doors are a smart investment. Energy-efficient windows and doors help to keep your home's interior at a consistent temperature, which reduces the workload on your heating and cooling systems. This can result in substantial savings on your monthly utility bills. Reduced heat transfer. The double or triple pane glass in EcoView windows significantly reduces heat transfer, meaning that your HVAC system won't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature inside your home. During the summer, air conditioning systems won't need to run as frequently, and in the winter, your heating system will have to use less energy to keep your home warm. Improved sealing. One of the key features of EcoView windows and doors is their tight seals that prevent drafts and air leaks. These seals help ensure that no air escapes through the gaps around your windows and doors, further improving energy efficiency. Lower energy consumption. Because EcoView windows and doors reduce the need for constant heating and cooling, you can expect a noticeable reduction in your energy consumption and utility costs. Over time, these savings add up, making EcoView products a wise investment. Environmental benefits of EcoView products. Not only do EcoView windows and doors help reduce your energy bills, but they also have a positive impact on the environment. By improving your home's energy efficiency, EcoView products reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. Reduced carbon emissions. When your HVAC system works less, it uses less energy, which means fewer carbon emissions from your power source. This can help lower your home's overall environmental impact, especially if your home is powered by electricity from fossil fuels. Eco-friendly materials. EcoView windows and doors are made from environmentally friendly materials that are designed to last and require minimal maintenance. By choosing these durable materials, you're reducing waste and promoting a more sustainable home improvement solution. Improved comfort and air quality. Along with providing better insulation and reducing energy costs, EcoView windows and doors also contribute to a more comfortable and healthier living environment. The advanced features of EcoView products help to improve air quality and regulate indoor humidity levels, ensuring a more comfortable and breathable space for you and your family. Reduced condensation. One of the common issues with traditional windows is condensation, which can lead to mold growth and poor air quality. EcoView windows are designed to minimize condensation buildup, which helps keep your indoor air quality high and your home dry. Better noise insulation. EcoView windows also provide soundproofing benefits by reducing the amount of noise that enters your home from the outside. Whether you live in a busy neighborhood or near a highway, these windows help create a quieter, more peaceful living space. Improved humidity control. With their advanced insulation and sealing capabilities, EcoView windows and doors help regulate humidity levels inside your home, preventing the growth of mold and mildew and ensuring that the air quality remains fresh and clean. Enhancing your home's aesthetic appeal. In addition to the functional benefits, EcoView windows and doors also enhance the appearance of your home. These products come in a variety of styles, colors, and finishes that can complement your home's design, boosting both its curb appeal and interior aesthetics. Customizable styles. Whether you prefer traditional double-hung windows, modern casement windows, or sleek sliding doors, EcoView offers a wide range of styles to suit your home's design. Increased home value. Installing energy-efficient windows and doors is one of the best ways to increase your home's value. Potential buyers are often willing to pay more for homes that feature energy-efficient upgrades, and EcoView products are an attractive selling point. Conclusion. If you're looking for a way to improve your home's comfort, reduce energy bills, and increase curb appeal, EcoView windows and doors are an excellent choice. With their superior insulation, energy-efficient technology, and environmental benefits, these products provide lasting value for homeowners who want to make their homes more sustainable and enjoyable to live in. Whether you're renovating or building a new home, investing in EcoView windows and doors ensures that your property is comfortable, cost-effective, and eco-friendly for years to come.